Hi, this is Srinivas. So now we are going to see about structure oriented and object oriented. So whenever you are writing a programming language, we follow certain standards for a programming language. So here we are having structure oriented and object oriented. So what is the structure oriented? In structure oriented, large programs are divided into small programs that is called as functions. Whereas in your object oriented, your large programs are divided into objects. There it is objects, here it is functions. And in structure oriented, the prime focus is on functions that operate on data. Whereas in your object oriented, the data that is being operated. So this is one of the basic important difference between your structure oriented and object oriented. And here data moves freely from one function to the another, because here in a structure oriented language we are having functions, so the data that moves freely from one function to the other function. Whereas in your object oriented, data is hidden and cannot be accessed to your external functions. And here in your structure oriented language, top down approach is being preferred. Whereas in your object oriented, it is a bottom up approach. So what is this top down approach and bottom up approach? See, top down approach, whenever you are executing a programming language, it executes from top to bottom. Whereas in your object oriented, it is not top to bottom, it is from bottom to up approach. Here in structure oriented programming languages, we are having a C, Pascal, Algol, all these follows a structure oriented language. C is a structure oriented language, so execution starts from top to bottom. Whereas in your object oriented, we are having C++, Java, C Sharp, and all these programming languages, bottom up approach has been accepted in this programming language. There is one more called unstructured oriented programming language, where there is no particular structure for those programming languages. Those are Basics, COBOL, and Fortran. These languages are the languages that has been created before C, so there is no particular structure for these languages. So this is the basic difference between your structure oriented and your object oriented. So if you are having any queries, please comment in the comment section. Thank you.